During my second year at the university, I was taking on way too much. Multiple courses that required tons of research, analysis, and group projects. There was one project where I had to use this website that was just overloaded with informations, buttons, and tabs everywhere. Every time I log in, I felt this wave of confusion and frustration. The site was so cluttered that even finding the simplest option felt like a scavenger hunt. This is when I experienced cognitive overload for the first time. It left me feeling stuck, unmotivated, and led to major procrastination. The chaos on the screen mirrored the chaos in my head. I didn't realize until later in this course that this what we call external cognitive fluid. Too much information thrown at me, making it impossible to focus on the actual task I needed to get done. Looking back, I can see how this overload applies to more than just using websites. Whether it's juggling too many tasks at once or even making decisions where there are too many options, cognitive load has a huge impact on how well we handle things. After learning about this in class, I realized how important it is to simplify not just designs but also the tasks I give myself. It's like when we talk about attention in class, there's only so much we can focus on at one time. If we try to do too much, our brain just can't keep up and we end up feeling overwhelmed. If I could go back and redesign that chaotic website, I will focus on simplifying everything. I will make sure that only this essential information is shown upfront and anything extra will be revealed gradually with progressive disclosure. I will also group similar tasks together using concepts like proximity and similarity from Gestalt psychology to make things easier to find and follow. On top of that, using visual hierarchy will help guide attention to the most important areas, making it a lot easier to use and less mentally draining. Since learning about cognitive load, I've started to approach not just technology but life in general a little differently. Now, when I feel overwhelmed, I stop and ask myself, what's the most important thing right now? I break things down into smaller, manageable steps. This change has made me a lot more productive and has seriously reduced my stress. Whether in design or in life, keeping things simple and focusing on what matters has made all difference.